Okay, so I'm going to do it from scratch, right? And then I'm going to explain each part of it. So let's create a new automation here. AI
Also,
approval.
you just recorded a few videos as well that are on our channel, just showing the first steps of using low code. So if anyone wants to understand how to create a generic process or how to start using low code tools, we have a few videos now that show you how to do a function, a trigger. Also, Fernando will walk through all the processes and show you a little bit more in detail about this specific section of the product.
Exactly. So let's create the automation. When I create a record in AI request, I'm going to run something in Python. So I'm just going to create this. Okay, so there are two things that I need now.